This is a demonstration of a Alexa controlled or Google controlled light switch that's a Decora drop-in. So we've got a tactile push button that you put on the wall to replace your existing Decora light switch. We have control with a smartphone using a app called eWeLink in this case. We've got our Alexa dot here so that we can give it voice commands, and that's the light right there. So let's begin, and first we'll just turn it on with the switch. So I don't have to pan over to the light. I think you know that the light's on, so we can turn it off there. We can set, let's go to the Alexa. Alexa, office light 1 on. Alexa, office 1 on.
Okay.
Then we can turn it off with the switch if we want, or say turn it on. Alexa, office 1 off.
Okay.
We also have a smartphone app that controls it as well. And it's kind of bleeding out, but so that smartphone app turned it on. You hear the click of the actual switch turning it on. We can turn it off any which way we want. Alexa, office 1 off.
Okay.
And we'll turn it on with the switch. We'll turn it off with the app. And that's it.